working with Jenn and MorningSave.com to get you guys insane deals in a segment we call Craving Savings.
This is a great deal. So, especially like, 'cause we're getting to the holidays, holiday cooking, entertaining, all those things are just around the corner.
Yes, I know. I've been writing them for weeks.
Yep. So, this is such a big deal to have at this time, especially in Cuisinart, we all love. So, this is the Cuisinart Elite Collection 12-cup die-cast food processor. So, in addition to the big bowl here, it also has a 4-cup bowl that goes inside. So, you're getting the adjustable slicing discs in there and a reversible shredding disc. So, it's basically like getting multiple food processors all in one. And it's also got an exclusive seal-tight advantage system. So that's going to prevent spills and lock the blades in place for safety. So you can pour out your ingredients without having to reach in and remove the blade first. MorningSave has an exclusive deal with Cuisinart to ensure that we've got you guys the lowest prices. So we've seen this sold for as much as $224, but...
Sounds about right, by the way.
So we've got it for $149.99, so that's 33% off. And this thing does everything.
That's a really great price. That's a great price.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move it on down the line.
So now we're getting into my comfort zone here. Now we're talking about beauty products. So this is the Luce Dermal Definer Facial Toner and Cleansing Brush. So this combines a soft silicone cleansing brush. So that's kind of what you'll use to like wash your face with. You put on some facial cleanser. You can give yourself a little massage, get that all the dirt and grime.
Okay.
Plus with these two little rollers, these are perfectly contoured for a facial massage, and that's gonna help your face feel more lifted, feel more firm. And then you'll just like do a little...
The little thing, oh!
Yeah, see, it feels nice. It's great. And then there's 5 different speeds, and then eventually once you hit it the 5th time, it'll go off. And you charge this thing once, and it's gonna last you for like something like 200, 300 uses. So it's a 2-hour charge.
Wow.
So that's great. Again, a 2-in-1 I love. We have seen this sold for as much as $89, but we've got it for $39.99. So that's 55% off.
55% off.
Yeah, I think this is such a smart little tool to have. Now, next up, this I love. I've been using this for the past few days, kind of getting familiar with it, and I'm a big fan. If you want a sparkling smile for the holidays, which we all do, you want those holiday pictures to look great, you have got to get this. This is the Glow Lit Teeth Whitening Device Tech Kit with Bluetooth. It has patented technology with warming heat and light for faster, easier, and more effective whitening. And it works with an app to control it, but also what the app does, it reminds you to do your treatments, it encourages before and after photos. And look, check this out. So here
your teeth can talk to you.
Yeah, pretty much. So look at this. There you go. So you're gonna it has this little portable power pack. You connect it this way. Here's the solution, right? So this is the whitening solution. It has a little brush right there. You brush it on your teeth.
Right.
So easy and foolproof. Seal it back up. Pop that in your mouth.
Pop this in, and then how long does that?
So it's 3 8-minute rounds, and it reminds you on the app. It makes it very user-friendly. And then you charge it back up, put it away, be done, and then the next day you do it all over again.
Gotcha.
It's really easy once you start doing it. You get very used to it, and it comes with a lip balm in there, too, to keep your lips nice and hydrated. And the system was invented by a New York City cosmetic dentist, and the device is registered with the FDA. It's safe for sensitive teeth, and it's also safe to use for people who have crowns, bridges, and veneers. You are going to get 1 mouthpiece, a storage case, a rechargeable power pack. You get 7 of these little whitening vials and a tube of the lip care. And we've seen this sold for as much as $149 on the brand's website. But we've got it for you guys for $59.99. That is 60% off.
Moving on down the line.
Yeah, so this is an exciting one. And these happen to be a customer favorite. You guys loved these so much last time we featured them. So we are back with the Shadow Sport 7/8 high-waisted leggings. But this time, instead of the ones that we had before, just the traditional, these are lined with fleece. It's perfect timing for something a little warmer. But what's interesting about this fleece, and I can show you, it doesn't add bulk. So you feel it, so you can kind of see. And we have these new colors. So we've got a heather rose, gray, and this Moroccan blue. And they come in sizes from small up to 3X. Since you guys loved these so much last time we worked with MorningSave on this, they went to the brand and they got a special deal with the vendor, and we can guarantee that we have the lowest price around. You know, the manufacturer's suggested retail price for these is $49 a pair, which still is like great for a really good pair of leggings.
Right.
But we've got them for just $19.99. That is 59% off. And we know you guys love them, so now you'll love them even more. These are, again, only available while supplies last. And yeah, we don't have an endless supply, so you got to get on there quick. And you go to morningsave.com.